Hi everyone. Got more packages in today, uh, and let's open them up. This one I ordered. This is from RC Express. I believe it's a third party. I got this on Amazon. Came faster than I expected. Didn't know what it was at first, and then it dawned on me what these were. These are the RC4 drive. These are the Rock Creeper tires, the 1.0s for my SCX24. Been really trying to get these. Had these in my cart on like A-Main, RPP, that kind of thing, for a while now, and they've been in and out of stock. I just haven't pulled the trigger. Finally got the itch to get them. Had some Amazon credit, found them on Amazon, but I had to pay like two more dollars. So I heard these are really good. I'll have to check out I can already feel that the rubber compound difference from the stock tires I have on my C10. Everybody said, I'm trying to look for grippier tires, sticky compound. So, and they come with foams also, stock. So maybe that will, between the compound and the foams, it just help crawl better. Gonna add these to my upcoming revamp of my stock SCX24. We got servo, we got tires. What else do I have for beadlock, 3D printed beadlocks that I printed. And the barrage motor. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that all in kind of one fell swoop. But yep, excited for these. So all right, let's open up the next one. I think this looks like it came from AliExpress. Where are they? Got these. So got these for like I think on A-Main they're $9.99 for two. I got these on Amazon for like $11.99. So like I said, I spent like $2 more. So I think it's worth it. Should have pulled the trigger, but all right. Let's got this from AliExpress. Came from overseas within a month. I don't know if you can see that. So what this is a buck converter, step down and step up buck converter. I know this is, you could say this is for the RC workbench. Trying to help my son build a desktop power supply, like I have, that you can run test leads to your projects, LED lights, motors, whatever, to test stuff out. This goes up to like, I want to say like 36 volts or something like that, 10 amps. So got some parts coming in for that. This is the first one, or heard this has good reviews. So yeah, this is not really for my bench, but for his. So excited to work with him on this project and learn more about electronics too. All right, so got this package in. Didn't take too long. This came from Forever 21 of all places. I've been looking to get some tire foams and doing a lot of review online. I think eventually I might go with the crazy crawlers, but what these are we got 8 hair donuts. So these are like hair donuts for women to make buns in their hair. These are 4.5 inches in diameter, and I think I got them for like maybe $1.50, maybe less than that a piece. So they compress pretty good, and they should fit around the rim, fill my tires in. So with my Element Enduro. I've noticed that I have the BFG crawlers on them, and I've noticed that the sidewalls kind of bow even just sitting on the shelf. So I'm trying to get more grip on the rocks. They're great tires, but it really comes down to the foam. And so I got I got 8 of these, so I can do the Enduro and the Gatekeeper also. I got brown, so if I don't like them, my wife can use them, wife and daughter. So excited for these. Like I said, got these for like $1.50. I forgot to also mention I got this for, I'll say about $10. It's kind of one of the most expensive things I've bought on AliExpress, along with the servos I just got. You can get cheaper modules like this, but this one had like the highest specs. I know you can get modules that are similar to this for like $3. So yeah, that's what I got today. I'm excited to use all these products and make my RC hobby even better, just with small tweaks and not spending a ton of money. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.